Meta Active. So they are a cruelty-free skincare line, and I have been testing out one of their products, and it's called LIPOFIX. So it is a neck and chin lifting cream. So this is just an extra item that I have been adding into my anti-aging routine, and I've absolutely been loving it. So it is a non-surgical solution to one of the most loathsome signs of aging developed by plastic surgeons. So like your décolleté area. Restores a more youthful looking V-line, prevents instant and long-term wrinkles, wrinkle relaxing benefits, tightens, tones, and restores firmness to saggy skin, reduces the look of fat below the chin. Yes, please. I've been using this for the past 2 weeks and I have absolutely been loving it. My skin has not been sensitive to it, so I haven't received any like rashes or breakouts or anything like that. And I can actually notice that my like chin area right here, I have been able to notice. And the applicator that it comes with is really cool too. So there is a twist off feature. So you twist it to turn it off to block the product from coming out. And then you twist it on. And then what you do is you squeeze a little bit into the applicator. And then all you do, it's so fun. All you do is in upward motions, you just add your product to your neck and chin. So I do this in the morning and I also do this in the evening time. So it's just a little added item into my anti-aging skincare routine. So Meta Active actually has tons of products. So if you go ahead and head to their website, metaactive.com, they currently have 10% off of $40 or more, but they make tons of stuff. So they have body wraps, body creams, they have skincare, they have supplements, they have foot care. And this is all the brands that they actually carry. So definitely go and check out this brand. I will have all of their items linked below for you guys. And again, thank you to Meta Active